Hey, Antonio here, Operation Emancipation Occupation, here with another video. We're continuing the previous two videos. This is part 3 of Bing ads in Maxbounty affiliate marketing. Follow along. I'll show you my results. I'll show you the good, the bad, the ugly, and everything else in between. Did I make money? Did I not make money? Did I make $1,000? I don't know. What's going on? Thank you for holding on. I hope you like my intro video and stuff. I spent money in order to make that video. It cost me a lot of money. It didn't cost a whole lot, but just a little bit. But anyway, look, I really hope that you've checked out my previous two videos. I think that I'm going to just have them go on up here at the top with like the video cards and stuff. So check them out if you haven't already so that you can follow along with this journey. I'm going through everything from A to Z. This is real life right here. Whether I do something stupid, whether I make money, whatever the case, this is really in terms of direct linking when it comes to Bing ads and Maxbounty. A lot of people are asking about this and I'm showing you results. I've made money and stuff before, but just for this intents and purposes, I'm just really kind of showing you and doing a walk along. Right now, you're looking at my Bing ads dashboard. You can see that I spent a little bit of money based on my previous videos. But before I get into this, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I mean, I'm being honest with you guys. I'm not being like these crazy fake gurus over here and pulling off of bootleg results and whatnot. This is real stuff. So hit that subscribe button, at least for being real, and that whenever I release new content when it comes to affiliate marketing, making money online, product creation, social media marketing, anything that has to do with making money on your line or making money online, I'm your guy, at least for right now. Hit the like button, and also don't forget to check those links down below. I got a whole bunch of free courses for you guys, including my first free affiliate marketing course that I just created. Spent a lot of time. It's for free. Go download that now. So within Bing ads, after I go into Bing ads, kind of explain what's going on, then I'm also show you what's going on with ClickMagick, because remember, ClickMagick is what allows us to track all of our leads and sales and keywords that people are clicking on. And I'm going to show you that here in a little bit, but I spent a little bit of money. Your ads are not running because your account balance is 0. Remember in my other videos that I said I don't like for Bing to just spend money and kind of run on its own. I don't want to give it my credit card so that it could just spend all types of my funds. I like to give it an allotted amount. I like to work in little bits and pieces, check out my data, and then kind of move on forward from there. You may want to do something different, but I'm telling you the way that I do it. And these two are the two campaigns that I got. I got Keto Direct Link and Keto Direct Link Bing and syndicated. You got to watch my previous videos for that one. I'm not really going to go into that, but these are the two different types of keywords that I'm running. Therefore, I'm breaking it down for testing. So when I get a sale, I know exactly where my sale is coming from with my keywords so that I can optimize and maximize on those keywords. I'm spending, well, what you'll notice is that sometimes whenever you run your Bing ads, sometimes they'll sit and it seems like there's no clicks. Sometimes you have to increase that ad bid per keyword. Originally, I started it at about $1. I wasn't getting no traffic whatsoever. Then I put $1.50. I waited for 24 hours. There was no traffic. I put $1.50 for each click. Yes, that is a lot. I know what you guys are saying. And then things begin to start running. Now, my issue, as it did that, if you look over here on the right hand side, you'll see average position. Pretty much anything from 2 to 4. I don't mind that. I mean, this isn't actually too bad for the Bing words. Let me see. That's position 4. Let me click syndicated words. And here I got positions 1 through like 4. I got a lot of 1 and 2 positions. Now, what this means is that I can actually bid cheaper because I really don't care for being in the first place, second place, or third place. As long as I'm within that 3 to 6th place and I'm still getting clicks, it doesn't matter. And see here for the syndicated, I didn't even change the bid. I got $1 here. So definitely the Bing traffic costs a little bit more, but I can make that bid a lot smaller, being that I'm starting to get those clicks. And that way my cost per click will be lower. And I can do the same thing here. I don't need to be in position 1. I don't need to be in position 2. If they're still clicking on my stuff and I'm only paying like 30 to 50 cents per click, I mean, I don't care about being in position 4 versus position 1, as long as I'm getting my clicks. Makes sense, right? So now you've seen all my keywords there on the left hand side. I'm doing $25 per day per campaign, which means I'm spending $50 per day total, because I got this campaign running and I got this campaign running. And what we were running, I just went ahead and logged into Maxbounty real quick. I pressed pause and now voila, we're here. But we're in my Maxbounty back office where you can see where I'm driving traffic to. And for this specific campaign, we are doing a keto diet pills campaign. Drove 219 clicks thus far. I'm going to go ahead and click it so that you can see what it looks like. And there it is. $96 per lead. And this is key, because was this the right one I'm running traffic to? Okay. So this is very important if you've been keeping up with the traffic. I had to switch offers. I switched offers, and originally I was running a weight loss thing based off of a flower, from a flower extract to lose weight. But that ad got denied. And for those of you who followed it and tried to do everything that I did down to the T and follow exactly what I did, you most likely got denied too. And it is because it had Dr. Oz, the TV figure, on the sales page, and they said that was false advertising. So they denied my ad. They don't like people endorsing their products as a false advertising. They don't like celebrities providing false advertisement in order to sell something. So the Bing people do check and look at your sales page. They're pretty lenient, but they don't play any games when it comes to celebrities doing that false stuff. And there's just no proof as to whether Dr. Oz really, well, based on a video that was on the sales page, it was kind of fake. You know, he wasn't endorsing that particular product, but he was endorsing the technique itself. So for example, he would be like, oh, you can lose 50 pounds using keto. And then that video was on the sales page, but that video didn't say anything about the product specifically. So that ad was denied, and I picked another campaign. Something very important to remember when you're advertising: $96 per lead. Some of you guys may get blessed and get a sale on the first day just for spending $25. Some of you may have to spend a little bit more. Some of you also may spend up to $96 and may not get the sale. And the reason I say $96 is because you generally, the general rule of thumb is if you spend the same amount as you would get for commission, you can spend up to that and still not get a lead. Now, they would call it quits if you spend double the amount of $96. So whatever 96 times 2 is, that's nearly $200. Take away 8, so that's $102. Hopefully my math is correct. Not 102, $192, and that should be right if I do my math correctly in my head very quickly. But I'm not going to spend up to $192 to see whether this thing tracks or not, because I'm teaching you these guru tricks, these techniques. And we go back. I just want to show you guys the offer that I'm promoting. And I sent all of those clicks within one day. And this is what it looks like. Okay. I drove 131 clicks. 96 of those was flagged. I'm going to double check into that. I need to figure out what was going on, because if Bing is sending me fake traffic, I'm going to have to send them an email and let them know, hey, I'm paying for this traffic and it's not really happening very well. Some of these don't have to necessarily be bots. Some people actually click the link more than once. Let's say I click on it and it looks interesting. I don't like it, but then I just come back to it and I click the same picture again or the same link, and it perks my interest. Maybe I might be interested in it, but I just never made the purchase. Here you see I have not made any revenue yet. But again, this is testing. This is why paid advertising, only the strong survive, because it costs money in order to make money. But once you begin to make money, you're golden. Now, the power of click magic. You get to see my clicks. You got to see the filtered clicks. And then if I got a sell, it's going to pop up here. Now, once I click 125 as the amount of clicks, I get to see all of my clicks here in this graph, and the power of click magic when you do it correctly the way that I teach you. Look at all this information that I got, guys. Oh my God, this is so huge. Why is this huge? Because I can see what words are being used. What words are bringing me the clicks? Because sometimes when you go back over here to Bing, some of these are broad keywords. And so let me see if I remember how to do this. If I click that, this is a broad keyword. Let me go to details. I'm going to go to selected. Yeah. So what I did was I expanded, being that it's broad, it's when somebody just types a part of that word, all of these words come up within Bing. And this is what people have been typing in. So instead of playing a guessing game, trying to figure out what word they clicked, I'm actually able to come over here and see exactly what words are being clicked on. So now I can see trends. I see a lot of people clicking on fast weight loss diet, how to lose belly fat in 1 week, lose belly fat quickly, lose belly fat diet. Look, some of these words we've seen more than once. So that's something to keep in mind, so that whenever I go back over to my Bing ads, I can check and see if that is what's happening on that end. So I'm going to go back. It was only one click for that one. Let me go back over here. Okay. 19 clicks for an exact word, which is good. And that's lose belly fat. This lose belly fat here is broad. And that got 17 clicks. But again, I have to expand this to see exactly which words were clicked. And there you go. So what's cool about this method with it being broad, I can narrow it down, and I can only choose the words, if I wanted to, that's actually bringing in the clicks. If I really wanted to, I can see their positions and all that stuff. So that brings me to my last thing here. When I get my sell, I will be able to tell you exactly what word gets the sell. And that's where the difference is as to why I believe that if I am to continue this campaign, I will not have to spend $192 in order to get the sell. So I'm still trying to debate whether I'm going to do that or not. I could, just because I want to show you guys that this stuff works. We'll see. We'll see. I think I may put a little bit of money. I only spent $50 so far, and I got this type of awesome data for you guys. I don't know, to be continued. But hey, look, this is just to show you that this stuff works, guys. You can do this. This works very often for me. And there's been many times where I spent money and I made, the budget on Bing would just Go within about an hour, 2 hours, sometimes 3, and I've received 1, 2, 3, 4 sales. You can do this. You can scale up in your business. This is the power of paid advertising, but this is direct linking. Direct linking works very well, but I highly advise that you integrate some type of capture page software so that you can capture those emails and then sell to individuals. You will save more money doing that because you can send emails and offers to those individuals further down the line. You don't have to always spend money. It's not always a guessing game. You don't have to repeat the same thing over and over again. You'll just create a database of customers. I'll make a video on that later on, but this specifically is for direct linking. Once you realize something works very well with direct linking, then I recommend you go ahead to do the capture pages with email marketing. So like I said earlier, guys, go ahead, check out the information below this video. I hope you learned a lot in my failure. Yes, I do not strike a home run every time. Well, I do not hit a home run every time. And I have my ups, I have my downs, I have my successes, I have my non-successful days. It's okay. I have no shame in showing you guys this because you're learning from what I'm doing right now. This is live, literally live. But you know, hit that subscribe button below and hit the thumbs up. Tell me that you like the video, that you like the content that I'm bringing forth. And please, please, please download my free affiliate marketing course down below. I put a lot of energy and time into that. And put a lot of time and energy into that. And I have a whole bunch of other stuff for you guys, like my #1 system for affiliate marketing that I use alongside of my free course that I created for you guys as well. So we'll see you guys later.